Hi, today we are demonstrating how to create an EC2 instance in AWS. At first, go to AWS portal and log in with your ID and password. Now you're in AWS Management Console. On the search bar, search EC2 and click on first option. Now click on Instance. Click on Launch Instance. Name your instance. Select Operating System. Create an SSH key pair. Now click on Launch Instance. Find SSH key in your Downloads folder. Use this command chmod 400 name of the key to give permission. Now wait for some time and click on Refresh. Now click on Connect and copy the SSH command. Open your terminal and paste the command and hit Enter. Type yes. Now your instance is created and you have instance access via SSH. Thanks for watching.